Welcome to One Day Film School, the wildest crash course in filmmaking you've never seen before. We're crisscrossing the country, popping into summer programs and turning classrooms into sound stages. Teaching students how to write, shoot, and direct their own films. All through game show style challenges that are fun, fast, and unforgettable. But this isn't just about making movies in a day. It's a launch pad for young creatives, with spark to ignite the next generation of storytellers, directors, and visionaries. No matter their starting point, by the end of the day, they'll see themselves as directors of their own stories. Let the journey begin. What's good, family? Uncle Al here. Guess what? We are in Indianapolis, and we brought the Elizabethtown Upward Bound Math and Science here for One Day Film School, and they had a great time. Watch this.
So where are you from?
I am from Cecilia, Kentucky, by way of the West Coast.
Okay. And what's your favorite movie?
Titanic.
Titanic. Got you. And what's your favorite movie?
Twilight.
Twilight. Alright. Got you. And what's your favorite movie?
Holes.
Holes? That's a good movie. Alright. So your name's Amber?
My name's Amber, yes.
And what's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Giver.
The Giver. Okay.
Who am I here with today?
I'm Mr. Matt.
What's your favorite movie and why?
My favorite movie, I would say, because it's been on my mind a lot, and I think it just turned maybe 30 years too. Love Jones.
Yes, who am I here with?
Mark Bisiaki. My favorite movie is The Prince of Egypt.
Describe yourself in one word.
Describe myself in one word. Curious.
Like,
Curious. I know this.
okay, thank you.
All right, please give her a round of applause. Great job interviewing. So this is going to be our host. The first game that we're going to play is a game called Musical Chairs. Everybody know how to play the game Musical Chairs? All right, we're going to play a game called Musical Chairs. We need a bunch of those chairs. I need y'all to get up, and grab a couple of those chairs for me, and we're going to bring them here on stage.
One Day Film School.
Upward Bound, Kentucky.
Upward Bound, Kentucky.
Musical Chairs.
Musical Chairs. Take one.
And then clap it. Thank you.
Hi guys, my name is Arnie, and today is the One Day of Film School. Today, we're gonna be playing musical chairs. Who was our contestants?
Katie. Nayani. Amber.
Billy.
Dominic.
Hello guys. So the rules for musical chairs are going to be when the music starts, you are going to walk around the chairs. But when the music stops, you're going to want to sit in the chair with your hands up. And if you don't sit in a chair, then you are out. Are we ready? Yeah! Let's go. Now, what happened?
Yeah, she distracted me. So Dominic got in the chair before me.
Well, I am so sorry you lost. Now, goodbye. Thank you for playing. Katie Bear, what happened?
I don't even know. I wasn't paying attention, I guess.
Well, maybe next time, pay attention. Thank you for playing, though. Well. Now what happened?
You see, they decided to run faster than I needed to be. All right, it cost me to trip a little bit.
But thank you for playing. Bye. You were so close to winning. What happened?
So basically, I cannot hear nothing. And then I kept on going. Like the music stopped and I just kept on going. I could have gotten it, but I had like hearing problems or something. And then I missed it. When the music stopped, I was just keep on going. So I don't know what.
Well, maybe get the ears checked. Sorry. Bye though. Thanks for playing.